Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tinatet venikeno. So we use wa. Esiesi ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obe mwa. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
My mama kwa ba de ba je Ghana TV so a bread research some hood wa ya bobo no ye de ebe so mo kase bo kwanso wei ye kase bo te o hwa me live our YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So any day you can watch me, subscribe, like and share Emma afofron so intimi and shebi me amaje bra me de kase bo yi ebe so mo ye me da chehima ajoa nati afeye mfri kase bo no ase. Lawyer Ampaw and Sembi Aba Betudra na watching say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Aba Betudra sa wopese wotu franka ma MPP amanyoko na say 2024 abatu na ye bekono opese wodi nkunim na obeye mampani ma oman Ghana na no na Lawyer Ampaw chemu say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong enye nipa wose yesoso ne sokra wo Ghana ha sa wohwe na bakosem a eyade sa nyamarasem ene ahanta ewudie ahye ne ma enti nipa se eni se yetimi eto ne so abampo se ometu franka emfama amanyeko bi ewo Ghana ha esa se Honorable Agyapong na sembi kura etwentwen so atese ewo court ase de court aye ni bia ye ntimi ehu ye mre bi etwemu atese okogina simpie ni abaso so camera si ne so edi ajeje fu atem foolish judge ne de eka ho nyina no ene o chem se was a contempt. Etimi echi Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Se contempt etimi achi senitweni Nanama McBrown. Any Efiashas nega non Father Dixon Mukra eka ho esama sembia ekosho ewo United Showbiz so dia. Na was a contempt krana. Etimi echi Honorable Agyapong. Esan se Ghana yetimwi obi aniwa was so sene emra no. Side ya broni besie no one is above the law inti. Was a mrano eshe na etimi Honorable Kennedy etimi edi ye pa na onye nipa was a etimi esoso ne so ewo Ghana ha empo was a etimi ma ne ho kwan sa o metu franka emfama amanyoko bi.
What I say, but to be frank, I'm just telling you, say some of us are not happy if the judiciary come and attack. And I'm telling you, say, until some of the presidential candidates beg the judiciary, some of us, you will not get my vote. President Mama, who vote back, who say, Kennedy Agyapong, who vote back, who say, because once you are anti-judiciary, Kennedy Agyapong, once you insult a judge, you've insulted me, you insulted my profession. I can't forgive you. You can't be my brother. I can't vote for you. I can't. We need bearers who will be responsible enough to learn to be humble. And I'm the MPP for the money money and you become the quality chairman and be more blind support. Me, I don't do blind support. When you are doing the wrong thing, I'll tell you. And then people are going to jail because of contempt of court. A bimu fine. So let's see those who disrespect the courts. Let's hold them responsible and accountable. And I'm challenging the judiciary. Kennedy Agyapong case, no, I don't know where it has gotten to, but I think, say, when it comes to vetting, as to who should even stand MPP, I'm just telling you, you have to disqualify Kennedy Agyapong on so many grounds. And one of the grounds, I'm just being honest with you. I'm just being honest with you, because if Ube pepper barrier, Now, a flag bearer is on record, say, is insulting a jet, foolish jet, do this, and then it's on the record to say there will be coup. So many things that has happened. That flag bearer, how do you qualify that flag bearer to come? You see, you do that, Ghanaians will vote against you. I'm being honest with you. I'll take my time and do analysis of MPP, more presidential prime minister, man, you're very careful to choose the right leadership. You will regret. And I believe Kennedy Agyapong is an unsata. That's my opinion. Because looking at what is happening in the system, and I'm talking about contempt of court tonight. That's why I'm saying that may dwell on contempt of court. I don't want to veer into politics, but I'm saying that when it comes to contempt of court, Kennedy Agyapong has behaved in a way say country he should have been facing jail term, and even cannot come and tell us that is my opinion. Let me read a few points. What did I say? Because no quarter day, no quarter back. Ghana for dear, the penny ye titi, who ye MPP near, no quarter mecano, may say A plus mark of court, I confess contempt, now your friend no more. Na mama akopcha sika, na UTV has been cited for contempt, half liable, and they are paying every fine. A force as legal is going to jail. What happens to Kennedy Agyapong? Nobody is above the law. And it will be a shame on MPP if you don't allow Kennedy Agyapong to purge himself. And so if you be purging, when you commit contempt of court, and this insult, is on social media. Anytime I look at it, the judge, hey, Jesus Christ, Kennedy Agyapong. Now, open so by president, MPP also, Momo Gasu to follow to turn and I bring Kennedy Agyapong. Bring Kennedy Agyapong. That's all that you know. Look, Ghanaians will vote for a candidate will show remorse and respect to the people of Ghana. And the main person, I want to see somebody like Kevin Taylor, no, your propaganda against the flag bearers of those who want to become flag bearers. Not Kennedy Agyapong, Kevin Taylor, and who is the alternative? Musa Mumpema, the alternative. Now, our Kennedy Agyapong. Now, the things that Kennedy Taylor is saying about Kennedy Agyapong. I don't think Kennedy Agyapong deserves to even go and campaign and become. He should be disqualified. Go and listen to Kevin Taylor. Nyama waka Kennedy Agyapong. Be crash sheme. And Ajakumo and others. I say. So let's be serious as a nation. Contempt of court because of the way the court dealt with UTV and the panelists and the host. I want same to be dealt with everybody who undermine the authority of the court, anybody who seriously prejudiced a matter that's very for the court, anybody who externalized the court, anybody who interfere with the effective administration of the court, anybody who conduct an action shows say or per se Ghana judiciary. I say, people say Mama say Mama say should be cited for contempt. Most of the statements and everything are contemptuous. Ghana no even pay the now when somebody is a politician, be fear to touch them. But Mama comment about the judiciary, the actions and everything are highly contemptuous. It doesn't deserve even to the same Mama. If Kennedy Agyapong does not deserve, Mama also does not deserve to be a flag bearer. That is my opinion, and that opinion I stand by it because anybody who want to rule Ghana and you don't respect the judiciary, you don't deserve to be the head of the state. You don't deserve to be the president of the Republic of Ghana because you need to work with the judiciary. And you cannot disrespect the judiciary, you cannot scandalize the judiciary, you cannot expose the judiciary to public hatred and contempt, and then expect the same judiciary to accord you that respect. That's my opinion. And I believe, we must be serious in this country. And I think let air flow. Mon country, a force as Lega said, court contempt na ya sentencing no. he should come and serve the jail sentence. It's as a China. Why should court to Kano be remanded for bench for the bench warrant, and he's going to spend the jail jail in Christmas in jail in prison. Why chef Christmas will be into the whole show me now. About Ben one Janet we attend this corner trimuna. What I say, Ubana, Ubay Patapaso will be my message. You are cocoon. That's me. Mrs. Adia, court room, Mekosa. Ona, Mekosa, Kakribiana Mekokot. I will discipline the so called social media influencers. I'm not telling me more. The media houses are behaving like they are thingos. I'm going to discipline the media fraternity, these hosts and panelists and media houses are. They think they are thingos. Camera, they run commentary. They disregard the procedures in court. Any media house, one running commentary in Ghana in any matter pending for the court, I will cite you for contempt of court. Trust me. Trust me. I will. When I cite you for contempt of court, I'll come and tell the people that my citing this media house for contempt of court. The case is in the court. We begin to send signal so that the media houses know you respect the laws of the land and the honors of the court. You're not citing the mark of court to get ready. From Monday now, you see the content of court cases, until we bring sanity into the media airspace, and the owners of the TV stations, when you begin to allow people, it will take you on.
Na chese ye nyanto ne so abamponu we felipoto se obetu franka ede ama MPP amanyeko bi anasa amanyeko bi a ewo omayimu sei na eye Lawyer Ampaw ese ose enya de ewo se ye soso eye Kennedy Honorable Kennedy Agyapong esokra ewo Ghana ha esansa ne ye enso ani ema woto asokra ka se yenkote Kevin Taylor ensambia wo keka ede afa ne ho chese wo hwe ne record mu a enya de a we deserve empo se wotu franka ede ma amanyeko bi anasa mpo onye di brebi ewo omayimu ebusu ha na bre ema kwan ma ye de kase bono ebesi edi ameje so eye da chehema ajowa nati aseda kese enkoma glitter and glow skin ketina herbal and Agenel organic foods dedi ho enkoma production crew wa weje branso a wo hwemenso medase papa makram
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di nuya mabobosina, and when you are setting at 2:30 album, we are Bema now no more, and Mama Wadison Kuma would drown us to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and vitality, and for you, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Sound Redder, Tina Tat 2:30 Heba, a young conqueror. Power to the people, Mitchell 2:30. So our what feeling? Or down, never. Tina Tech 2:30 Herbal.
Yeah! Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra offer sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.